almost choked on this thing. Not recommended for kids. Hey guys, it's and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying a lot of Mexican candies today. So I've only tried, I think, maybe one or two of these things, but everything else I've never tried before, so I decided to give it a shot. So all of these I found at Target in Garden Grove. They have a whole candy aisle and there's a whole section dedicated to all different kinds of Mexican candies. So I bought everything I could find. So what I want to try first will be this one. It's called Cranky. Cornflakes with artificially flavored chocolate coatings. So this is what it looks like. Cranky. So again, it's cornflakes with artificially flavored chocolate coatings. So this is what it looks like inside. It tastes stale. It's actually not too bad, but it's not great either. It's alright. It tastes just like chocolate, like a chocolate covered biscuit. It didn't taste like a cornflake to me because when I hear cornflakes, I think of a cereal, and it's more thin and crispy, and it's not very crispy in my opinion. The next thing I want to try is this lollipop looking thing, but it's so weird because there's this ugly, scary looking clown in the front, and on the back there's this face that's half bitten. But basically it's a marshmallow with chocolate flavor coating. So let's give this a shot. Ooh. So it's kind of broken. It looks like this. So it's supposed to be a face, but the face is kind of slanted. So you can do it like this. So what it is again? Marshmallow, chocolate covered marshmallows. Okay. It's pretty sweet. The marshmallow is really sweet. I don't really like this one. Too sweet for my liking. And the face is just kind of creepy in my opinion. I don't know why they have a clown face in the front though. Alright, so the next one I'm going to try is this Boo Boo Lubu Mini. It's supposed to be a strawberry gummy candy and marshmallow with chocolate covered coating. So I've noticed kind of like a little trend here. They have a lot of chocolate covered coating stuff and marshmallow covered stuff. So this is what the bag looks like. Boo Boo Lubu Mini. So they come individually packed. Strawberry gummy candy and marshmallow with chocolate flavor coating. So it's like a peanut shaped piece of chocolate. Oh my god, this is so sweet. Ew. So inside you'll see two layers. The bottom layer is marshmallow and the top layer is like a gummy strawberry, but that gummy strawberry is really sweet on top of the sweet marshmallow and chocolate covered. Too much for me. All right, so let's try this one. This is also another clown package. So this is Mini Paletta Payaso. Mini Paletta Payaso. Marshmallow with chocolate coating and gummies. They all sound like it's the same thing. Marshmallow, chocolate, gummies. Oh! Wait. So inside the bag, there's another lollipop that looks just like this one that I purchased. You know, I think it's the same. I think it's the same thing as this one. I feel kind of ripped off right now. Marshmallow with chocolate coating and gummies. And this one, marshmallow chocolate. Yeah, it's the exact same thing. So in this bag are four of these guys. Four of these guys, which are exactly like this one that I tried earlier that I didn't like. So shouldn't have bought that. I felt like that's such a waste. I'm not even bother trying them since, you know, I already know how they taste. And I'm not going to like them. Let's put that aside. Let's go ahead and let's try this one. I've never tried this one before. Rindos? Rindos. Oh my god, I'm totally butchering this. This is chili filled tamarind. It's a hard candy. So it's chili filled tamarind. This is what it looks like. I think it's pronounced Rindos. Rindos. Come on, Huibu, you took Spanish, 4 years of Spanish in high school. So, let's see. So, they're individually packed. Okay, so it's shaped really weird. It's shaped like this. It looks like a poop. Like, it looks like a tart. It's colored like one too. It tastes like tamarind. Chili filled tamarind. It's a hard candy, so there's supposed to be chili in the center. But I don't know how long it's gonna take me for me to get to the center. I feel like for being a hard candy where people have to leave it in their mouth to suck on it, it's really big, like it's really long, like it's actually very difficult to suck on. I feel like people could easily choke on this. You know, taste-wise, it's actually not bad at all. It's pretty good. I just wish that they made it smaller, and I'm just trying to wait to get to the center so that I can get to the chili. Should I bite it? It's so big. I almost choked on this thing. Not recommended for kids. I'm biting into it right now. Down, a bit down to the center where there's supposed to be chili. It's not that spicy. It tastes a lot more tamarind. It's not bad though. I think it's way too big for a hard candy. Let's try this one next. This one is Bocodin. Wafer filled with peanut butter and artificially flavored chocolate coating. Bocadine. wafer filled with peanut butter and artificially flavored chocolate coating. So individually wrapped. So it looks like this. Wafer filled chocolate. It's good. It tastes like a normal wafer, a peanut butter wafer with chocolate on the outside. It reminds me of the, it's called the Nutter Butters. Wait, it's also, I think it's a Betty Crocker snack, where it's also peanut butter wafer and it's chocolate covered. It's pretty good. I like that one. Alright. Let's try, so I've had this many times before. This is probably my favorite Mexican candy. It's the Pika Fresca. So I used to call these the barrel balls. Back in elementary school, the ice cream truck. I first discovered this from the ice cream man. He would sell these for 5 cents a ball. So they're basically little balls like this. And I would buy a whole bunch of them from the ice cream man. So they have tamarind flavor, but I like the strawberry flavor. So the Pika Fresa strawberry flavor, that's my favorite. So technically I'm not taste testing this, but I'm just eating it because I found it in the Mexican candy section. Still as good as I remember. My favorite Mexican candy right there. So it's chewy on the inside, strawberry flavor, and the outside it's like a chili coating, kind of like Lucas powder, a little spicy. But it's not overly spicy. I can eat a lot of those. This next one is Vero Elotes. So I think these are similar to the mango lollipops, but instead of being mango, it's corn. I didn't see the mango one at the store. They had a tag, but they're all sold out. So I didn't mind because I already know what the mango one tastes like. I've never tried the corn lollipops before, so I wonder if it tastes like corn. So that's what it looks like. Ooh, my battery is blinking. Hopefully it's finished. This is the last piece of candy that I have. Here you go. It looks kind of like a corn. Sour. Sour. I don't remember the mango ones being this sour. Squid with chili. This is strawberry. It doesn't taste like corn. It's strawberry flavored acidulated hard candy lollipops coated with jelly. So it's actually strawberry flavored lollipops. Why is the chili so sour? Anyway, my battery camera is actually running out like right about now, so I think I'm gonna end it here. This one, I think I like the mango flavor better. This one's very sour on the outside for whatever reason, but hopefully it'll taste better on the inside. It'll taste like strawberry, I'm guessing, but it'll probably take me a little while to get to the center of this. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already done so, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!